In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Freshdesk experience updated and running smoothly. Freshdesk, as you're probably aware, is a cloud-based platform designed to streamline your customer support process. Since it operates on the cloud, one of the great advantages is that you don't have to worry about manually installing updates or fixes. Everything from new feature rollouts to crucial bug fixes happens automatically on Freshworks' servers. However, I understand that you might occasionally encounter situations where it seems like you're not seeing the latest features or updates. Let's walk through these scenarios together and see how you can make sure your Freshdesk is always as current as possible. First, let's talk about updating the web application. The beauty of a cloud-based service like Freshdesk is that it is inherently designed to be up to date at all times. So, in an ideal world, there's nothing you really need to do. However, if you notice that your Freshdesk environment doesn't appear to have the latest features or functionalities, there are a few simple actions you can take. A quick and easy first step is to refresh your browser. Sometimes your web application might not immediately pick up the latest changes made in the cloud. Refreshing your browser, which can be done by pressing Ctrl+Shift+R, forces it to reload the most recent version of Freshdesk from the servers. This clears out any old data that might be causing discrepancies and ensures you're viewing the most up-to-date interface. If refreshing doesn't quite do the trick, the next step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Browser caches can sometimes store outdated information, preventing you from seeing new updates. By clearing these, you're essentially hitting the reset button on your browser's stored data, allowing it to fully sync up with the latest version of Freshdesk. Instructions for clearing cache and cookies vary between browsers, so be sure to follow the specific steps for the browser you're using. Finally, if you're still unsure whether Freshdesk has rolled out new features, you can check Freshdesk's release notes. These notes can be a valuable resource, detailing what new features have been released and any other significant updates. This can give you a clear picture of what changes you should expect and whether those have yet reached your current setup. With these steps, you can confidently ensure your Freshdesk instance is always up to date. Remember, while Freshdesk manages the heavy lifting of updates automatically, refreshing and occasionally clearing your browser's cache can go a long way in keeping your experience seamless. That wraps up today's video, and I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.